Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight text in PDF. Now for us to get this done, I'm going to open this particular file right here, and to highlight it we are going to right click it, open with, and then Microsoft Edge. So in order for us to get this done here, you want to highlight basically anything that you want to do. Say for example, if these are the words that I want to highlight into some color, I'm going to have to highlight it first or choose it first. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this highlight button right here. And then there are different color options. So yellow, for example, and then say for example, this one, it's going to be repeat, or it's going to be the same process. Red, just like so. And when you are done, you have two options here: save it as the same file, or save it here as a new file. So I'm going to go ahead and save it as a new file, and I'm going to go ahead and locate or put it in the same location. Click save, and it's going to open, as you can see, as a new file. So yeah, that is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.